Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for the Banjoman, my good friend right here in Kentucky. First of all, Banjo, let me say thank you so much for your everlasting patience. You sent this in a long time ago, and we're just now getting around to getting it all lined out and everything. Ultra bright white LED lights in the meters, tune alignment, redid your wiring on the noise toys that are on the side there. And got this thing ready to go. So let's start with our power all the way down. 25 watt slug. There you go. Got you at 1 watt all the way down. Plenty low. 5.5, maybe 6 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. 14.5 bird. 50 watt slug and peak. Hello. 36 peak. All right there, Banjoman. It's ready to come back to you. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.
Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise. Get wise and get truck rise today.